Hey, I'm Sarah. I was just sent this ottoman. This is so soft. I can't even tell you. This velvet is such a soft feeling, and this color pink is super cute. So this ottoman is really neat because it's foldable and it has the little storage right on the inside. So to assemble it, it could not be easier. It comes with a little stabilizing pad that you just unfold this part, put the little stabilizing pad down in there, and now this part, that's good to go. And then you simply put your lid on. Now you have yourself an ottoman. So this measures 17 inches across, 13 inches this way, and then 11 inches off the ground. And it's great that you can just easily store stuff in here, close it back up. It holds up to 260 pounds on here. So this is a nice little bench for sitting on, putting your feet up on, and for storage.